export center. It will be catering to more than 15 states within India and over 20 countries globally. The hub also demonstrates Diageo India's commitment to long-term research focused on brain-to-glass sustainability and is in line with our strategy to accelerate transformational innovation and strengthen our craft premium portfolio in India. Today, the need of the hour is for the industry to collaborate in order to compete and place Indian spirits on the connoisseurs list globally. Diageo India is committed to partnering with the ecosystem to provide support to develop, nurture, and mentor smaller companies. The hub will serve as an incubator by providing the platform and resources required by these startups to thrive in the alcohol sector and accelerate innovation.
Finally, I aspire that India should be the top exporter for all the 200 countries of the world. And that is what, ma'am, that's what comes to you. That targeting 200 countries for export of this liquor, I think should start from Goa. And I'm quite confident and sure that yes, Goa itself is a brand. You name it from Goa, and that will be, I would say, 100% increase in the commercial side.